Now what in the world is Devon trying to do here? Let's take a look at this clip shared by Evgeny Prudnik. Now before we decide if Devon is breaking any rule here or not, we need to know what the rule is. So this match was in the referee's grip, and let's take a look at what the referee's grip rule says. So examples of movements in a referee's grip are fingers regripping, back pressure, bending wrists, early start, or elbow lifting off the pad. So basically, in simple words, we can also say that any movement in the upper body will result in a foul. To be safe, we can consider the rule like that. So was Devon doing any of these movements in the referee's grip? Yes, he did almost all of them. He literally shifted his whole body downwards. So the referee was right to give him a warning. Under WAF rules, it would have been a foul, but under East versus West rules, they've changed it to a warning. So the referee was perfectly right until this time. But what happened afterwards was a disaster. The referee was literally not letting Devon start the match in that position. In fact, both of the referees were telling Devon to stand up so that they can start the match. That is not according to the rules. The rules just say that your shoulders should be squared, they shouldn't be crossing the center line of the table, and they shouldn't be below the table. Everything else is fine. And Devon is not breaking any of these three rules. So why did the referee tell him to stand up? And after this match ended, Devon was apologizing to the referees during his post-match winning speech. I think it should have been the referees that should have apologized to Devon and the fans for either not knowing the rules or for letting the emotions get the best of them. Either of these situations shouldn't have happened. You can even listen to Neil Pickup repeating again and again that they should allow Devon to start like that because it's not against the rules.
Frustrating the referees, but doing
down
so
on his
inside
knee.
the rules.
He's down on his
There
knee,
is
Neil.
no rule against that.
Don't
Devon
do
Larratt not actually breaking any rules.
For the past few weeks, you may have seen many European arm wrestlers sharing a lot of stuff against Devon as an organized attack on him. Which is fair, I would say. If you think Devon cheats in the setup and you are proving that in your clips, then you have all the reason to share that. I think everyone should do that. But sharing this clip just shows that they have some personal hate for Devon buried deep down inside their heart. It's either that, or maybe just like the referees, they also don't know the rules. And either way, it looks bad on them. They are some of the top 5 arm wrestlers in the world. They should know what the rules are, and they should be able to keep their emotions out of the game. Prudnik uploaded this clip and then he tagged these arm wrestlers. Out of these arm wrestlers, only Kalinichenko and Artyom Morozov shared the clip on their pages. I even messaged Kalinichenko and Prudnik, both of them, saying that I hope you know that it's not against the rules. What's the problem here? And they both replied by saying, okay then, we should all start matches like that. Yeah, please do. If there is no rule against that, then why not do that? If you think it favors you, if you think it looks cool, then I think you should do that. I know the name of the organization is East versus West, but that wasn't Engin's vision when he started this. He didn't want it to be literally the East guys fighting against the West guys on social media. If Vitaly does this kind of stuff, or even if Morozov is doing this kind of stuff, it's still understandable because in the future they are going to have super matches, hopefully both left and right-handed. In that case, it can literally boost the pay-per-view sales. So any publicity, any controversy in that case will be considered as good publicity. But when the owners and the employees are fighting against each other, when arm wrestlers who are not even going to arm wrestle each other, when they are fighting each other, it looks bad on the organization, it looks bad for the players, and it does not add to any pay-per-view sales at all. So I think arm wrestlers should be focusing more towards the solution and less towards doing these unnecessary personal attacks on Devon. That's it for this video. Mention your thoughts, please like the video, and I'll see you again.